Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Angling with Alex, where we fish hard. What's up, Zach?
What's up, bud? You ready for the day in the big old snowstorm?
Oh my God, I know. So we're in the Power Horse today. Zach's freaking beefcake of a truck. And we are recklessly going fishing in a snowstorm. Check out these roads. They're definitely freaking snow covered. And it feels like some solid ice in there. All right. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm pretty stoked. I have to find snowboard goggles real quick in my car, or I'm gonna be freaking blind. Oh, my trunk latch is frozen solid.
Dude, everything. You got like a half-inch of ice. Dude, like a half-inch of
Oh, that's not opening.
Yeah, I'd open your door again.
Yeah, I tried to bust out that corner.
Dude, you couldn't. We couldn't even break traction. Like I just tried.
Oh, Anthony's here.
Yeah, what do you think? So you coming down or what?
Guess where we are?
The world famous.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Deb.
Good morning, Alex. How are you?
Morning, Dustin. What's up? Oh, we're gonna go and try to fish today, like crazies.
You'll be fine, bud.
Oh yeah, we're gonna hammer them.
This just separates the men from the children.
Absolutely. You go to the bank yet?
No.
What are you
They don't
camera
close
shy?
till 6. I just looked them up so I can go.
Oh, sick.
I am camera shy.
Anthony's camera shy. But once he gets on the fish, he ain't gonna be camera shy. Get some bait, get some food, get some bibbits, get some bibbits. Woo, Zach's on the bibbit game.
Hey, don't show the secrets over here.
All right. What do you guys think? Which one? Dustin's got freaking billion of them. So hard to freaking choose.
Whoa, that's low. Yo, I'm getting a super tiny tungsten.
Super tiny tungsten?
Super tiny.
Oh, okay.
3 millimeters when I go with.
3 millis?
3 mil.
Where? Where's 3 million?
Top roll all the way across. Come on down
Oh,
to the
yeah.
right. This is what you want. Where you going, Carrie?
No. Sandbar.
Right there, with that purple. That's a hot one.
Can't show you guys the juice. There's not blur on the camera, guys. That is freaking snow. It is ranking out there. And guess what we don't have? You want to tell them?
Poles for the shanty. Or the big shanty. We have a half a shanty.
So we're going out on a run and gun sunny mission. By God, we are gonna get them.
Damn, I did right, bro. It's your boy.
Zack Bernor, professional cameraman. Alright guys, it's really shitty out. But we're gonna fish.
No shanty today, boys?
Master has arrived. You got that Bex on you?
Huh?
You got a Bex on you? Ooh, it's a game changer. So guys, Anthony has arrived. He's got a Bex on him, and we're starting to catch that yellow gold, y'all.
Zach, can I fish this all?
Yeah, go for it. All right, y'all, we're gonna get fishing. We're probably gonna put the camera away for a little bit. Hopefully the snow dies down, and we can get it out. I forgot my GoPro.
Fish right on bottom.
you think about the weather, bro?
Awesome. Yeah, Vexor's definitely the way to go though if you're buying a flasher unit.
Absolutely, the Vex is sick.
It's a lot more expensive, but well worth it. This used to be mine. I sold this one to a buddy.
Yeah. Oh, they're coming up hard on it.
They don't want to yet. They're gonna.
We can't see shit. Oh, yes. What beautiful weather. Couldn't ask for better fishing conditions. Suffix ice line, do not recommend. On the drop. Oh, perch. I don't know what just happened to my pole. God dang, it's freaking cold out here. All right, y'all, we're packing it up. It's snowing too hard. This was our survival endurance challenge of the weekend. Hopefully tomorrow's looking better. Well, that was a freaking mess.
What's up?
We were out there for like 2 hours, caught, I don't know, a handful of perch and a sunny. And now we're gonna die driving home.
Postmaster, angler, driver. Ah. No. Shit, Alex has done in his life.
Guys, we're in like 4 or 5 inches of snow on the road. It's freaking nuts. We're out here. Y'all, we gotta go get some ice. Ice melt. There's plenty of ice here. At least it's in my driveway, right, Zach?
Yeah. I thought we were stuck in the other place, the 2-wheel drive.
Yeah. Yeah, so Zach's truck like locked him out of the 4-wheel drive. I don't know what's up with that. I'm not a mechanic, but I know it's not right. We out here. What do you think, Gnarly? Think that's gonna work? Think we're gonna get out? What do you think about all the snow? What do you think, Zach?
Fuck this.
Sweet success, y'all.